Hey guys, today I'm not sure what we're doing today, but I have a vase and I can buy myself flowers. I'm buying myself flowers. Look, this is from my balcony garden. You see? You see? They're nice and they smell nice, but I don't want to cut them all because they're nice, and I just put a little bit, a few, to have them nice here. So another project that we have is to change the dirt for these flowers, and I have quite a few. I will start with this because I just have to add dirt, and we will continue to transplant the other plants. Hey guys, couple of months later, because you will see in this video also when I started in spring to put some dirt on my flowers to have more food, and now I'm planting some other stuff, and this is already autumn. It's October when I'm doing this, but you know, I never got the chance of editing that video, and I thought you would see the differences. It's very sunny outside, and I put something here so people won't see what I do because I don't like it. We have some things hanging because we wash clothes also, so they need to dry out. And now I will start adding some things. The small irises, I would love to put them here because they are short and I think they don't need a lot of place. So we have this big thing. I hope I have enough dirt for it. I don't think I have enough dirt because this is all the dirt I have. Well, Honey is down and watching. I have a small hole like this in the balcony where usually back in the days you would wash your balcony and the water would go out over the window. Now it's illegal to do that, but we still have the holes. So Honey is enjoying that. He's looking outside through that small hole. I thought it will not be enough, but it kind of looks like it is enough dirt. Maybe we get lucky and it's enough dirt, because now as I'm looking to it, it's 1/3 full already. And I will do the tulips, the parrot tulips, pink ones. You have to put it 10 centimeters away of each other and 10 centimeters in the dirt. So I think this is 10 centimeters. I don't know. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woohoo! I don't have that much space to put them. So 10 centimeters away. I will use like 5 is like, okay, 7 centimeters is enough for them. Come on. We all know that. No, we don't. Good enough. And now I will put some more dirt. And I will continue with the Narcissus, which is also with 10 centimeters away. Oh, okay. That's what I'm happy about it. Okay, this has 3 of them. Great, good enough. And I will put it here. Oh my god. I think I will overcrowd everything. We will see what it will happen. I already know that this is not good, it's mushy, so I have to throw it away. This one the same, look at it, it's mushy. Oh great, this one number 3 also. So I have 3, 4 and 5, and it was like this, so 2 onions. And I am really not happy about this. And this, let's see, 8 centimeters away and 8 centimeters deep in the dirt. Okay, I think I will put them all too. I added them. Okay, I think the other ones should wait a little more because I don't have dirt anymore for them. These ones. and you can plant them from September till December, and they will be blooming in February and March. Well, good luck, tough luck, my friend. Next month I will plant them also. You should trust me on this. Let's use our imagination, because I don't think I will film it. I am not waiting for one more month to film that. I now will put water on these ones so I can hydrate them, and once a week I think it's enough to water them, so I can do some justice to them. Hey there, travel bees, look at my flowers, and these ones are mini irises, and I have dark blue, light blue, and purple. Look at them, so cute. I'm so happy. And this is everything that I planted. These are more white, but I think they're dying too. So they are, look at them, I'm so happy. My flowers are blooming, and this video is 1 year long since I planted them with the updates. These are tulips. For sure these are tulips, and these are something else. I forgot what I planted there. I think here too, and here I had something. And these are freesia. They are amazing. I don't know what is there. It should have been freesia, but I don't know what happened. And here I have something. So look at my growing garden. But I'm super excited of my mini irises. Travel bees, look at my flowers. First of all, look at these. They were all bulbs, and they smell so good, especially this one. These are blooming. If you see, you will see the update. This is 1 year long video, I think. And look at my tulips. They're already blooming. And I have something here also. I don't know the names right now. On the next video I will come with the names also. But the tulips are amazing. I think I have 2 types of tulips. And these are one of my favorite flowers, also my mother's. My mother received this one also. I have my Christmas tree, a live Christmas tree in a pot there. But these are smelling amazing. I'm on my balcony and I'm drying clothes also. That's what you're seeing on. This is a pair of pants, but these are smelling amazing. And I can't wait to see the tulips bloom. In case I can't film them, I will insert a picture, but they look amazing. This is more yellow and this is more green, and I think it's parrot. They are parrot tulips. Updated situation. They are blooming, but still not there yet, and when they will bloom I will be in the Netherlands, so yeah, well, that's life. Maybe the next ones that they will come. So this is the update. We have another tulip here, and we have this here. So these are the smallest ones, but we have bigger ones, and these. So they basically are all red and green. Unfortunately, I don't have any other color. I don't remember what I planted. Ooh, this is blooming. I'm so happy. This is something that I was expecting for a long time. Oh, I have one more here. And these are fantastic. You will see everything when they bloom. They will explode. I love them. And also I have here, oh nice, it's an orange lily. Very cool, very cute. And I had one here. Probably that died, and this is the sun. And I have this amaryllis here. I think this is the brother of this. I hope they will have flowers this year. because they didn't have for a long time now. Hey there, truffle bees! I'm so happy! They are blooming! Look at them, and they are salmon pink like I wanted to. I'm so happy because I thought instead of salmon pink they were yellow at the beginning, and I thought they will die. And look at this, not die but being classic. And look at the freesia, they are my favorite. I already cut one. I will cut the other one also, and the tulip, and I will make a small bouquet for my desk. It's good to cut the freesia and the flowers, so the next year they will have bigger flowers, if that makes sense. Hey there, travel bees! Look at my flowers! Other tulips, and these are more yellowish and with red. I don't know what happened. I really have to look back on the video to see if I bought only red tulips, parrot red tulips, but they look amazing. I have one more to bloom, and look at this! They bloom! I can't wait to see this. And look at freesia. They are amazing. They used to have huge flowers, but I think it's the 5th year. I put them in the pandemic. Before the pandemic came, I planted them. And look at them. They are nice. They smell amazing. So that's fun.